Hello, this is Gadget Gal 38. How you doing? Well, I'm here today for a review on my new camcorder, Aiptek Action HD GVS 1080p 5-time optical zoom video stabilization. Okay, that's how it looks on the front. It uploads and share HD video on Vimeo.com. Built-in software rarely uploads to YouTube. That's the front. Sorry about that, guys. That's the side. The back. That's how it looks on that side. Okay, go ahead and open up, guys. Nothing else in the box. There you go. Put it over here. Turn it over on the bottom. You have a pouch. Guys, there's a lot of stuff to come with this video camera. You have a pouch. Of course, you have your user manual. You have a pink slip. Read me first. Remote control manual, registration card, software. You have a remote control right here. You have your HD cables, audio cables, USB cable, your charger. It's a lot of stuff, guys. And you have a tripod. All this comes with this camera. And here you go. Here is the camera. There it is. That's the front, side. And it's also a swivel screen. There it is, guys. That's the unboxing. There will be a review. Alright, guys. This is Gadget Gal 38 signing out. Have a great day.